Welcome to this video on why Snowflake skills are in such high demand as we head into 2026. Let's explore the factors driving this trend. So what is Snowflake? It is a cloud-based data platform designed to help organizations store, manage, and analyze massive volumes of data. Its unique architecture separates storage from computing, allowing for independent scaling and high performance. Why are companies increasingly turning to Snowflake? It offers a fast, secure, and highly scalable environment. It enables businesses to perform advanced analytics and gain valuable insights from their growing data assets. We are currently seeing a massive surge in business data generation. As organizations adopt more cloud-based storage, the demand for sophisticated data analytics solutions has never been higher. Snowflake's top features include the separation of storage and compute, which optimizes costs and performance, alongside high scalability to handle increasing data loads without sacrificing reliability. This creates a strong career demand. With high industry interest, Snowflake professionals can expect competitive salary packages and diverse career opportunities in roles like data engineering, data analysis, and cloud architecture. In conclusion, Snowflake skills remain essential in 2026. As cloud adoption grows globally, the need for experts who can manage, analyze, and leverage data for business intelligence continues to rise. Thank you for watching. For more information or to discuss next steps, please feel free to reach out using the contact details on the screen.